How to change YouTube Premium to Family Plan. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily change your YouTube Premium to a family plan. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser. Once you open up your browser, just head over to youtube.com. And once you open up your YouTube, all you have to do now is make sure that you're logged into the account where you have the YouTube Premium and want to change the plan. So first thing you do is find the profile icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Then from this pop-up, you're going to have to go to purchases and memberships and then click on this. You'll be taken to this page where you have different kind of memberships. So if you already have a membership plan under your subscription, all you have to do is first cancel that subscription and then you can change it to a family plan. So I already have a family membership subscription. So what you can do is click on the drop down to manage membership. And then from here, it will show you when your trial ends. And if you want to pause your membership, you could do that as well. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on the cancel option. And once you click on cancel, you will have to simply go ahead and purchase a family plan. So it should look something like this. Here you can just click on this get family plan option and you can change your YouTube Premium to a family plan. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.